Hi guys, welcome to our new channel in whole. Yeah, you may have a problem in PC or laptop loading the software or apps slow, or video lagging, etc. And yes, you have found that high RAM uses. So I am going to fix the problem. Without wasting time, let's start this video. Go to the Start menu, press the setting icon. Then go to Apps. In some apps, you will not get advanced options. Click on Advanced Options. And turn off the background. You can also turn off the background if you do not play games. Go to My PC, right-click on Local Disk C. Now select Properties. Then click on Disk Cleanup. Then select Cleanup System Files. Disk Cleanup helps in cleaning the cookies, window updates file, temporary files, etc. Press OK button to delete all files permanently. Go to the search bar, type Services. Disable useless services which slow your computer performance. Follow my steps to disable some services. These services run in the background. Disable Microsoft Edge update services. This will help you from frequently update. You can manually update Microsoft Edge when you want. Disable Microsoft Update Health Services. Select Windows Installer Services, go to Properties and select Manual option for this services. Go to Windows Search, go to Properties, select Stop button and then disable this services. You can also select the Manual option. Go to Window Update, go to Properties, select the Stop button, then go to Startup type, select Disable option. Regular window update slow down your performance. Disable game services if you are not playing online games. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Go to the search bar, type Task Manager. Open the Task Manager. Go to Startup menu. Startup programs are programs which run automatically when a system is booted. So these apps or programs slow your boot speed and window speed. Do not disable the Windows important apps like Window Defender. Right-click on My PC, go to Properties, select Advanced System Settings. Then go to the Performance area and select Settings. Uncheck all options and check the basic options like Show Thumbnails and Smooth Edges. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Run, type Prefetch and press OK. Delete all the files. These files slow your RAM performance. Right-click on the Start menu. Select Run, type %temp% and press OK. Delete all the files. Right-click on Start menu, open Run, type temp and press OK. Delete all the files. These files act as cookies and slow down your computer performance. Bonus. Uninstall useless apps. This app decreases your RAM speed and storage by running in the background or other sources. Disable the window wallpapers or use manual wallpaper by downloading from Google, as desktop managers running in the background may use your RAM to decrease performance.